So right now we're going to talk about a little warm-up to do with the band. This is over this major scale loop that goes through the different keys. So a lot of times, you know, when you're in jazz band, you're going to be warming up with the band, especially in a school situation. And so while they're playing their part, you can also warm up. And this is a musical phrase, a 4-bar phrase. And at the end, we have this do-da-da, this 3 and 4, or sorry, 1 and 2 and then they start the phrase again. So we're going to catch that with the band. So the first thing we have to do is know where it happens in the phrase. So I would suggest counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, do-da-da, 4, 1, 2. And what you can do is just play time all the way through it until you hear where it's happening on the 4th measure, and then try to catch it in your hands. So that's what I would suggest. We're playing jazz time, spang, spang-a-lang, spang-a-lang, spang-a-lang. Hi-hat 2 and 4. I'd probably ghost my bass drum too, and then if I was going to play the figure. So what we're going to do is I'm going to play along with the track. The first time I'm going to do it near my snare drum while I keep my ride cymbal going, just playing right through it. And then I'll do it with my bass drum. And then I'm going to play the figure with both hands. And then I'll play the figure with my bass drum in my right hand. And I'll start adding a fill at the end. A nice fill coming back in. A 4 coming back in. So do that, da, da, in back in. But you could put some triplets. You could put some 8th notes at this tempo. Kind of all the subdivisions could be used. So I'll play a little bit. And the main thing is that we're really locking in with the band. The bass player and your right hand are really playing right together. So if you need to, boil it down to just quarter notes. But if we can, we'll do the spang-a-lang the whole time. And just try to make it nice and fluid so the band has a nice feel to work with. Okay? And then you could also add comping in. That'd probably be the last thing I would do. Once the band is feeling good, experiment with the bars that come up to that figure with some comping in the left hand and or the bass drum. You know, some kind of phrase that kind of shows that 4-bar phrase, if that makes sense. So we can throw some comping in there to show the time going by. All right, here we go. I'm going to play along with it.